This is obviously not a knife or steel related projects, but my daughter's 3rd birthday is coming up soon at the end of this month. So she's always trying to play at the table, and I'm always worried that she might fall or something like that. So I had put out a quick short video a couple months ago when I was getting this idea through my head. And what my plan is I've got this really neat looking pine, and I'm gonna skin this 1/2-inch plywood with it for the tabletop. And I've got some other pine. And I'm gonna picture frame it once it's skinned. I'm gonna cut this at 45s and square it up around it like a picture frame. So that's what I'm gonna be working on today. Well, I picked up this neat little doweling jig on Amazon. It's only like 12 bucks. So hopefully it will work out well, because it came with a whole bag of different size inserts for different size dowels. So it would guide your drill bit. So one thing that's really neat about this is self-centering. So you just put it on your board and then turn it, give it a little bit of pressure, and that's going to find your center point so that you can drill the hole for the 1/4-inch dowel, so that it'll lock all the boards together so that you don't have like one like popping up, you know, vice versa. Or at least that's the plan. Like I said, I'm kind of winging this. I'm not a woodworker. Just kind of a maintenance technician that, for a hobby, I enjoy tinkering and building stuff and making knives. But I kind of feel like my knives are more my passion. I have a lot more fun with those, especially seeing somebody use one. But that's going to be the same with this. This is all going to be exciting and so much fun to see my daughter playing with her toys or coloring books or whatever at this table. So, all right, well, I'm going to keep filming, and I'm going to edit out all the weird stuff like this. So they're only 1 inch long, so put some tape on there so I know when to stop. And that should be giving me about half the distance drilled in so that I can match it on the other side and won't end up knocking this too far in on one of them. Well, damn, that worked out pretty good. It's right in the middle. Nice. That's about exactly what I was looking for. Half the distance.
Well, I guess make sure you have enough clamps.
Well, I did a lot of this off camera. Didn't mean to. Didn't realize my phone died. But my boards, they all have been drilled. I've got the half-inch dowels, 5 in each one of these, linking them all together. I used a bunch of Titebond Ultimate Wood Glue to put all the strips of wood together, and I used Power Grab Loctite to attach this to, well, the top to the plywood base for the table. And once this is all dry and cured and everything, my next step to the plan is to square up all the cuts, because there's a little bit of an overhang on the top part of the wood. And it's right next to me. But I've got this pine. It's 0.75 by 1.5 by 6 foot. What I'm going to do is cut these into strips and basically do a picture frame to hide all the edges and kind of frame it out and make it look complete. I can't wait to get to that step, because it's going to look like a table. Right now it just kind of looks like a bunch of wood glued together. All right. Well, thanks for checking it out. I'll get you on the next one. Knife, that would be freaking awesome right now. Hummingbird got close.
I should have used purple heart dust. That would be cool.
wipe on polyurethane to seal it. Well, I got the table pretty much done at this point. I just have to picture frame it. I'm waiting for the polyurethane to finish drying. And I'm thinking about painting the legs white to give it kind of a farmhouse feel. Right on. Let me know what you think.